Okay, so punta na tayo sa third row na to actually kasi natapos na namin yung second row. Ayan na, wala na siya. So, ito na siya tayo sa third row. Parang mas maganda to. Nakikinita ako. Ang ganda. Ay, ang cute nito siguro. Woo! Nice. Dami. Ilan sila? 4. 4? Ito sila. 3. Ay, nice. 3. Diba? Cute. So, wala na to. So, ito na naman tayo next one. May isa. Tapos ito. Oh, nice. Look. So.
Okay. Oh, look at that.
See?
That's really fun.
This one, see?
We're starting to get into that. See, we leave things.
Nice.
Yes, sir. Oh. Good boy.
This is nice. Yung nakuha namin, medyo malaki. Ito pa siya. So, bungkalin natin. Ay, marbles.
Yeah, that's all right. That side's all right.
Same.
The little tiny ones we don't want. Yeah, that's
Marbles. Same marbles. Yeah.
that's all right. Oops, that's all right.
More on marbles.
Yeah. Oh, look. Good size. Okay.
Wait. Well, good job.